back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brooke. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for going out to like a frat party. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and tell me what else you would like to see from me. I really wanted to do like a pink eye look today, but I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so I couldn't do that because I don't know if I'm wearing like a neutral color. But next time I go out, I will find a white shirt to wear and I'll do a pink eye look for you guys because I'm really upset that I didn't get to do one because I really wanted to do it. But anyway, if you want to see me do my makeup and a sped up version of my hair, then please just keep on watching. Yeah, I don't know what's on my lip, but it looks like a bruise, like I don't know. But anyway, let's just get right into it. I already like moisturized and everything, so I'm not gonna put on like a primer or anything because I don't feel like it. Only 3:43 and I'm already getting ready because I'm going out to dinner with my friends at like 5:30, and then we're going to be pre-gaming at 8. So I just want to have my makeup on and I'm hoping that it'll last until then. It usually does, but I can just do touch-ups if anything. I'm gonna get my hair out of my face and I'm gonna look like a boy, but like I got it done. It's blonde again. So I'm going to be going in with my It Cosmetics CC Cream in medium. What else is new? I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand first, apply it with a brush, and then go over it with my Real Technique sponge. That's better. Okay, there's like a glare in my room whenever I have my shades even the littlest bit open, so can't do that. I'm fully aware this doesn't match me. I meant to self-tan. It matches me when I am self-tanned, but I forgot. So we're just gonna roll with it. But like, oh my god, look at this. Now I'm just gonna go over it with my damp Real Technique sponge just to soak up any like excess product so that we don't get cakey. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm going to take that on a brush first and just apply it where I want it to be and then blend that in with my sponge again. This thing on my nose won't go away. It's gonna haunt me for the rest of my life, I think. It's the last thing I want on my face right now. Sometimes if I have like a ton of time to get ready, I like to just let my concealer like sit for a little, and then I'll add like a tiny bit more here so that it's like another layer. These dark circles ain't it. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. Well, it's in the shade 05 Fair. It's basically translucent. It's the lightest one they had. I love this stuff. It doesn't leave flashback, and I think it's like legit like $7. It's probably cheaper than that actually. I don't even remember how much it was. But it's so cheap and it works so well. Unlike the Airspun, which makes you look horrible when you use flash and it smells bad. This one smells like nothing. Like, love it. And then I'm just gonna take that on a brush and put that in places where I'm not baking. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 130 Matte and Poreless. And I'm just gonna put that like in places I want some more coverage. So under my eyes, definitely. Like around my mouth, on my chin. I'm gonna do my face. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit. I'm taking the shade right here, and I'm going to contour a little. Okay, and now that that looks harsh AF, we're going to blend that with a big brush. And then I'm going to take this brush and contour my nose a little bit. I I'm probably horrible at that, but oh well. Next, moving on, I'm going to take some bronzer. This is my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Same brush I contoured with. I'm just going to run this over like my face because I want to look tan. I'm also going to take that brush that I just contoured my nose with, and I'm going to go a little bit under my lip to make it look pouty. Contour the Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take my blush. This is the shade Party from Tarte. And now I'm going to do my eyes. And the first thing I'm going to take is this cashmere shade from the Tarte Toasted palette. And I'm just going to put that in the crease as like a transition shade. Oh my god, there's powder flying everywhere. This one has a lot of kickback, which isn't my fave, but I love this. So I'm going into Boston tonight to go out with my friends. And I'm really excited because I haven't been out in Boston in a bit because my friend used to go to BU, but he transferred, so it's kind of hard to go out there now, but we still have friends there. That's who we're going out with. But anyway, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Warmth, and I'm going to bring that a little bit lower into my crease, and then blend it up. Guys, I'm so bad at eyeshadow. I like want to be good at it, but I don't know how. Like, I know I can be if I really try, but like I don't have patience. Take this shade right here called Latte. I dropped the palette and I put this back in without looking, and the Tarte is upside down now. Are you kidding? Taking that Latte shade, I'm gonna bring that into my outer corner and then blend that really deep in my crease. Taking this Fireside shade, which is the really dark brown, and we're going to put that in my outer corner, packing it in there a little bit, and blend it. Before I do anything else, I'm just going to go onto my lower lash line and take this shade Warmth. And then I'm going to also take my brush and blend that out first. And I'm also going to take the Latte shade and put that over top. I'm going to take Fireside, a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit of it, and I'm only going to put that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'll take Sunrise. I think it's matte anyway. I think it has the tiniest bit of shimmer, but I'll take Sunrise and put that where I didn't put any shadow yet. I feel like that just makes it look a little bit cleaner. And I'm gonna take this shade, I'm gonna use this one to highlight my inner corner. Candle. I was gonna do what I was gonna use for my face, but that's not showing up. Like, hello? I guess let me try my finger. Okay, yeah. Here we go. And I think that's all I'm going to do for the eyes, really, but I'm just going to take some eyeliner too, and I'm going to line very thinly on top. Sometimes I will wear fake eyelashes, sometimes I won't because, yeah, I don't know. I'm not mad with how my real lashes look with mascara on, so I just feel like I don't need it sometimes. But I'm going to, before I do mascara, I'm going to highlight. And I'm going to be taking my Carly Bible palette, of course, and I'm going to take the Rose Gold shade and highlight my nose first. Hopefully hide that little pimple with some highlight, even though it makes it stand out a little more. But and then I'm going to take it on a brush, a bigger brush, I should say, and highlight my cheekbones. I'm also going to put that above my eyebrow, like whatever's left over. Well, I'm going to do my mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to use L'Oreal Telescopic And also when that like dries, just to give like extra thickness, and I use this on my lower lash line, I use this Clinique High Impact Mascara. And I'll be right back. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, kind of, not really. I'm just going to fill in like a little bit on the ends. And then I'm just going to take my Maybelline Great Lash and set my eyebrows in place. I want them moving while I'm dancing. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics stripped lip liner, or I could take my MAC Rosy Rim lip liner. I think I'll do the MAC one today. Now I'm going to take my MAC lipstick in the shade Angel, put that on. Guys, like I'm like almost out of it. It's like right here. That's how much I use this. I love this stuff. I'm going to put the tiniest bit of that over top. Then I'm going to set my face. And that'll be it. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray. I think I'm going to curl it. I'm just going to speed through this. That is it. This is my get ready with me. Curling my hair, doing my makeup. This is what I'm going to look like tonight. Obviously, aside from the outfit, I still don't know what I'm going to be wearing 100%. So, yeah, this is it. I'm going to go out to eat with my friends now. Well, in like 30 minutes. But I'm going to go get dressed, go out to eat with my friends, come back, get changed into my outfit, and then be on our way. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I hope you like how the makeup came out, how I did my hair and stuff. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below, and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.